Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous session, we have understood how to convert from binary to gray code in a very simple way, simplest way. Okay, so in this session, we will try to understand how to convert gray code to binary. Now a gray code is given to you, how to convert it into binary. A simple trick I will tell you, don't worry. Okay, so please watch the entire section. Please do not miss out any of the particular thing in this particular channel or the session. Okay, so let us quickly start with the session. So before starting this particular session, we have to understand this particular truth table. I have already discussed in the previous session also, and the same thing which I am going to discuss now. So in a half minute we will just summarize this. So input, there are two inputs, a and b, a xor b. So 0 0 means 0, 0 1 1 1 0 1. So this is nothing but a binary addition. 0 0 means 0, 0 1 means 1, 1 0 means 1, 1 1 means 0. So this is the simple binary addition which you have to understand. So 1 1, this part you have to be very careful. 1 1 means sum is 0, carry is 1, so we will not consider carry here. So this is all about the truth table. So let us quickly start with the session now, okay, with the help of a trick. So once the gray code is given to you, how to convert it into binary code? Again, I will tell you there are two ways which you can do it. One is a table, you have to write it entire binary to gray code, you have to write it on left side, binary on another side, then you have to see equivalent of this particular code. That will consume a lot of time. Okay, and one more method is realization of this gray code, so that will also take a lot of time. So in order to convert it quickly, please try to understand this particular trick. This is just one of the method to convert gray code to binary in a very less time consuming way. Okay, so let us quickly try to understand. So this is the gray code which is given to you now, 11011. Okay, 11011, this is the gray code. Now you are asked to convert it into binary. So how you will convert? So once this particular gray code is given to you, just write an arrow mark in downward. Okay, in order to write the output, correct? Now what you do is just take diagonal arrow mark in this way and write addition sign. Two things, just this is the output, right? That's why you are dragging one arrow mark down in order to know what is the binary equivalent code of this gray code. Next, what you do is just put one diagonal arrow mark, okay, and write addition symbol like this. Then what you do is simple way, from start from the left side, as and we have started in the similar way from left to side, right side, using the during binary to gray code. In the similar way, gray code to binary is also a simple way, I will tell you. So one, write it, because you cannot add one digit, remember, in this way. So one, you have to add it, one, and this one you have to add it. What is the binary addition of 1 1? 0. 0 0, binary addition is 0. 0 1 1. No need to refer to the truth table, because it is just an addition. Okay, nothing to remember, only 1 1 0 you have to remember that. So 1 1, answer is 0. So similarly you have converted gray code to binary also. I hope it is very clear now. So just write it in this fashion whenever a gray code is given to you. Okay, so I hope it is very clear now. So please do like, subscribe, share, and comment in the YouTube comment section. Okay, so please press the bell icon to get the latest updates or notifications. Okay, please I mean, share it, which motivates me to, for in order to post some more such tricks or tips or any solutions or any of the particular topic, I can cover it. So if you want to cover any of the topic related to, if you have any doubts related to this particular topic, you can definitely comment. If you want to know any particular topic of your choice in electronics and communication or physics in general, so please comment in the YouTube comment section. I will definitely try to come back and try to cover that particular topic in very as soon as possible. Okay, so thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.